Hello everyone! Today is a special collab edition of Mixed Media Girl, and we are going from LA to Portland, Oregon for a special collab with me, Heather Mader Art. And if you've never seen any of my artwork or know about my channel, here's some pictures of some recent paintings that I've done. The main reason I am so excited about this collab is because Mixed Media Girl was the first person to actually take the time to talk to me about the business of art, and I will never ever forget that. So I'm so grateful to her for that generosity of spirit. This video is more about the enjoyment of watching two artists work side by side. And if you want the full tutorial, please stay tuned to Mixed Media Girl's channel, and she will post the full tutorial later on. And also, if you want to see my final results, my close-ups, please visit the link in the description box. And that way you can see the video that I put out on this painting on my channel, which is slightly different and has a few more little surprises at the end. So thank you so much for watching another Heather Mader Art collabs. Thank you so much to Mixed Media Girl. And I'm just gonna let you sit back, relax, and enjoy.